Hey everybody, welcome back to another nifage Airsoft video. Today this is the footage that I captured from doing the reverse bomb run. I did upload the first video to this one, which is where me and my team was running the bomb down from 4th to 1st. This is the one where the enemy's going to run the bomb from 4th to 1st, and me and my team's just got to prevent them from getting the bomb down to 1st floor. So here we go, let's see how we get on.
They have to fight down and push us down, or get past us. Yeah, they can't go back up and then swap. So basically we'll stay on 3rd, they'll go to 4th, they'll come down one set of stairs, and then we defend that floor. Once we hit, we go down, wait on the next floor, so on and so forth. Small stairs.
So the elephant attack was right.
Yeah. That's one dead. It's close. Yeah, got him.
I think we both got it.
Yeah, definitely. Close. I got it. Yeah, quicker, Joe. Bomb's dropped. Somebody grab the bomb. Quickly. Go low, go low. Get it. It's on the stairs. It's on the stairs. Work your way to the stairs. Go low. Quickly.
Right, stay there then.
Careful, one on the right of the stairs. I got his helmet. I got his helmet. Please go. Right now, go call him out. Hit!
Okay guys, now that that grenade's taken me out, I've got to advance down to the 2nd floor where I've got to bunker in, getting ready for when the attacking team takes out the rest of my players and make their way down the main stairs to the 2nd floor, which is where we're going to be, and we're going to try and ambush them and stop them from getting through this corridor and progressing down to the 1st floor with the bomb. This is pretty much the part where it starts getting interesting.
Oh, nice. Right, so they're going to be coming down here through there, so we're just going to hold this off. Sweet. Right, I'm going to get back in this section here. Yeah. If we can get them to drop the bomb, then I'll run up and nick it.
Yeah.
I don't mind running up and sacrificing. It's for a good cause, so they're going to come down this way, right? So yeah, they've got to fight their way through the skills room on the next floor, which is harder for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Sorry, got bomb. There was about 3 of them. Got about 3 then. That was good. Yeah. Yeah, I can stand next to it and post a grenade when you open it if you want. Yeah? Cool. Get ready, get ready. Here they come. Not yet, not yet. You can stand right next to the door, yeah? And then as they open it, drop the bomb in. Yeah, I got him. One down. Right, go to the door, quick.
Post it through.
Yeah. Right, doors open, doors open. No, not yet, not yet. Wait for it. Wait. I'll tell you when to place it round. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Right.
Watch out. Now. Yeah. Sweet. Right, you can go out and grab your grenade if you need to. Go, go. Quick, quick. That's it. Get back in. Nice. Nice work. I'll tell you when. This is looking amazing. Ready, ready. Yeah, go get it, go get it, go get it. It's right there, same place. Go, go. Go and get it, go get it. You go low. And yeah. I've got one more if you need it. Just pull it out and then it goes prime. We should pull it out. That's it. It's ready. It's ready. Wait. Marshall, get in. Now. Oh no, shut the door, shut the door. Post it through. Keep the door open, post it. Yeah, nice. Well done. That was good. I'm out of grenades. Both of them are out there. So I've got to get my grenades once I die here.
Why shut those doors, don't they?
That's fine. Yeah. Nice.
Oh.
Come on, Joey. He's gone low. He's going low. I got him in the chest. Did he call that?
Okay guys, so as you can see, that guy stormed into the room, took me out. It was a 50-50, he called it and I called it. So now I'm advancing down to the first floor, to where I will bunker in again, and this is the final floor that the enemy have to get through to get the bomb to the small floor.
Yeah, I'm red.
Okay guys, so we're on the first floor now. The attacking team are making their way down the stairs, so one of my teammates rigs the door up with a grenade, so when you open it, it does blow up and take them out. You'll hear it in a moment. This is the final floor, so let's see how we get on.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, do it now, Michael.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, this is where it's happening.
Right, be careful because there's a bomb rigged up to that door, so when you open it, they are dead.
Yeah, let's go.
Just like that. Just like that.
Michael, fucking kangaroo.
Right, bro. You cover me while I reload my grenades. Yeah.
Okay guys, so they stormed the room pretty damn quick. They managed to take me out. And so that's the end of this gameplay. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget, YouTube's doing some weird shit going on with some upgrading stuff. So if you subscribe, please hit that bell button next to the subscribe button, and then you'll get my notifications. Also, people are getting unsubscribed due to YouTube's updates. So just keep checking, making sure you subscribe so that you get the latest updates as and when I upload. Cheers guys.